One person interviewed 50 of the greatest financial minds on the planet and asked them all one question. If you lost everything tomorrow, what would you do to rebuild your wealth from scratch? Their answers destroyed belief most people have about money. They said, stop trying to pick stocks. Stop listening to financial news. Stop believing that working harder will ever make you free, because the game of money has rules, and nobody teaches you those rules. Step 1. Make the most important financial decision of your life. Start investing now, not tomorrow, not when you earn more, now. Step 2. Become the insider. Know the rules, fees, taxes, risks. Step 3. Make the game winnable. Set a real number, a specific amount that means you never have to work again. Step 4. Asset allocation is everything. It's not what you invest in, but how you divide what you have. Step 5. Create a lifetime income plan. Turn your investments into a river of income that never runs dry. Step 6. Invest like the 0.01%. Use the strategies the ultra-wealthy keep to themselves. Step 7. Just do it, enjoy it, and give back. The conclusion after analyzing 50 of the world's greatest minds was beautifully simple. Find a way to do more for others than anyone else, and the money will follow, always. Follow, so you never miss a learning that could change your financial life forever.